Did you know that today a third of users have removed to AI, right? Uh, they no longer Google. They ask ChatGPT about products and services and follow its recommendations. On my channel, I run brand roasts to see how ready companies are for the shift in information search paradigms and provide recommendations for improving brand visibility in AI. Subscribe to my channel, and I have a lot of interesting content about AI, marketing, and development. So today we are going to roast the AI startup Brickken, and for that I'm using a version of ChatGPT without a user login, so my previous searches don't influence the results. We'll start with the usual tell me about Brickken. Tell me about Brickken. Good. We have a result. And it's really good. It's hard to believe, but I've seen companies that AI does not know at all. So, this is a blockchain startup providing a platform for the tokenization of real world assets, as I understand. Okay, we apparently have enough information, and that's great. Let's ask the next question. And next question is, where are the company's main clients located? Mm-hmm. Okay. Join the press bank Europe, Latin likely. The company explicitly global in scope rather than just local to Spain or Europe. Okay, okay, I see. As we can see, the company offers services worldwide, but its strongest presence is in Europe, right? Let's focus on brand recognition in this region. So, next, we ask AI, in which cases would you recommend them to me? Okay. Mm-hmm. You want to recognize real world assets? Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh, okay. We see many reasons for recommendations. These are the company's strengths. Now let's find the most precious prompt that would make this company appear in AI recommendations. We ask, create a short here, create a short ideal question from the target audience asking for a company of this profile. Phrase it as a prompt that the target audience would give to AI. Come on. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, now we refresh the page to clear previous results and submit the prompt suggested by ChatGPT. Let's clarify that we are talking about Europe. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, one block square. Only no. Okay. Okay. So in the results, our company does not appear. No problem. For the sake of the experiment, let's repeat the query 5 times. Our analytics platform actually does this automatically to track AI recommendation positions, stay on my channel or request a demo if you want to see it in action. But for now, let's do it manually, okay? Uh, let's try it again. And maybe let's clarify more. I am from uh, from Europe, and this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, token solution, digi shares, tokenizer state. Okay, next time again. And notice, this is not just about brand presence, right? It's also research on your closest competitors to develop a competitive strategy. Okay, only no black square. Nope. And next time, false, right? No, 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 no. And final. Mm-mm. No. Okay. Uh, now let's ask AI a simple question. No, sorry for that. Not this question. Uh, yeah. This is our question. Why did not you recommend Brickken to me? This lets you see the areas to focus on in your business development strategy and adjust the informational portrait that AI currently sees. Sorry. Oh, it's amazing, yeah? Yeah, good. But here's a list of reasons. You can read that. And next, we ask, explain in which cases I should choose Brickken and why. It helps us determine the company's unique selling propositions. Yeah? Okay, it's good. And when you might not choose Brickken, it's also important. Okay. We now have the company strengths, which can be used to build promotion strategies, right? And finally, let's see how the company is doing in terms of reputation and whether anything needs to be done to manage it. We ask, what are the most common complaints about Bricken? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, as we can see, there are no direct complaints, but there are a few things user would like to see that are worth paying attention to in the future. Yeah, right? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, conclusion. Our conclusion about startup. The startup Brickken is a well-developing company with a solid reputation, but unfortunately, I'm sorry for that, it is still unknown to 100% of AI users, as it does not appear in AI recommendations. That's all for now. See you in the next episode of our AI Business Roasts. Bye bye.